Hey homies, what's up? So today we're going to talk about semaglutide. There was recently a study that suggested there may be unexpected medical complications as a result or conditions. So yeah, let's get into it, right? However, Novo Nordisk shares have remained largely unaffected by concerns raised in a Harvard study linking their weight loss drugs such as Wegovy and Ozempic to a rare eye condition called nonarteritic anterior ischemic optic neuropathy. I'm only going to say that once because I can't pronounce that again. It's going to be hard, right? So the study suggested a possible association between these drugs, which contain semaglutide, and an increased risk of non-arteritic anterior ischemic optic neuropathy in patients with type 2 diabetes or obesity. However, analysts downplay the impact of the study, describing it as hardly a game changer, right? They're like, it's not really that bad. It's not definitive. Worst case scenario, the only anticipated change in regulatory response would be adding another warning to the label. It'd be like, hey, you're going to look good. You might not be able to see it, but others can, right? Like you'll have a six pack, but visually you won't know, but you're going to look dope. Trust us. A spokesperson for Novo Nordisk emphasized limitation in the study's methodology, including a small sample size of patients who had been exposed to semaglutide. They maintained the condition is not currently listed as an adverse drug reaction. Despite these findings, the pharmaceutical company's products have gained popularity, especially Wegovy, which was recently approved by the FDA for reducing heart disease, in addition to weight loss and blood sugar regulation benefits. Previous scrutiny has surrounded these drugs due to reported side effects like stomach paralysis and self-harm ideation, along with risks of bowel obstruction and pancreatitis. Essentially, your gut gets lazy, things just stay there and they kind of rot, or yeah, and you can't poop, or some people were saying they poop too much, and pancreatitis. In conclusion, while the Harvard study raised concerns, the overall impact on this company has been basically none. Most of the investors are like, this isn't a big deal, which makes sense because if you have a cash cow and someone's like, it has a bad hoof, you might be like, it's cool. Right? We got the golden moo-moo. Like we're not going to change anything yet. So that makes sense, right? My question to you guys is, do you think this is a concern going forward with a GLP-1 antagonist? Or right? GLP-1 antagonist, do you think it's something that should be looked into further? Do you think it's just Harvard trying to bring down big pharma? Do you think it's worth it? If they were like, you would guarantee you have a six-pack in a year, but you're going to lose some eyesight, would you just be like, I could get LASIK and glasses? Let me know what you think down below. Peace.